Hi, scholars. I hope you had a nice, relaxing weekend because this week you are going to review all of the writing strategies that we have learned so far. Yep, we're going to put all of those strategies together in one big review video, and then that's going to prepare us for our test next week. That's right, scholars. You have a test, a quiz, something that's going to help us learn more about what you know and what you can work on. So get ready to watch this review clip next. I'm so excited. In week 1, you learned how to use capitalization rules in each sentence. We capitalized lonely eyes, holidays, months of the year, names, days of the week, and the beginning of sentences. In week 2, you learned about the different types of sentences and their punctuation marks. There are 3 types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, and exclamatory. Declarative sentences tell us a statement and need a period at the end. Interrogative sentences ask us a question and need a question mark at the end. Exclamatory sentences show us a feeling and end with an exclamation point. In week 3, you learned how to use quotation marks appropriately in your writing. You learned that we use quotation marks around the character's dialogue or thoughts. I wonder what's for lunch today. In week 4, you learned how to write a complete sentence using a subject and a predicate. Subject is who or what the sentence is about, and a predicate tells what the subject does or is. In week 5, you learned how to use a comma appropriately in your writing. We learned that a comma is like a pause in our writing. We also learned its use to separate months and the year, 3 or more names in a sentence, and before the words and or but. Finally, in week 6, you learned all about how to incorporate opinions into your writing. You learned that an opinion is what you think or feel about something. Now, let's see what you can remember. Bring it on! Which sentence shows a comma used appropriately? I want a bag of chips, soda, and a candy bar, or I'm so cool, ha. What is the subject in this sentence? A dog needs love. Is it a dog or is it needs love? Yay, you did it! Now you're ready for next week's challenge.